I want to talk about premium shirts today and what makes a t-shirt premium and where you'd pay extra for it. So first of all, this is a ring spun cotton shirt and it's going to have a lot better feel than a carded cotton shirt. It's also over-dyed and washed before it's put into the store, so it feels good when you put it on. The other thing is this graphic was done by an artist named Ty Williams, so it's kind of a premium artist collab. The other thing I like is the overprint over the pocket, and that's just going to give it more of a handcrafted feel. Let me show you another shirt. This is the same brand and the same artist collab, and it also has an overprint on the pocket. And the thing here is, when you screen print over a pocket and you go over seams, sometimes the ink will gum up because there's a gap between the screen and the fabric. And in this case, it's a good thing because it makes the t-shirt feel more handcrafted and more premium.